ADA relates to occupational therapy as we are going to be working with individuals who have disabilities and impairments in a variety of populations, depending on where you are working and in your setting. Being able to understand and know the ADA regulations and the titles will benefit us in trying to help our client be active in the community, even be active at home, at their schools, anything like that. Also, some of the things that are covered under ADA are the public transportation, modifications to environments, what actually is qualified as somebody who has a disability. All of that relates to OT, as we are going to be able to help these people or these clients gain access to any type of program or activity that they might want to do, and making sure that it is ADA appropriate for them to be able to access that. And if they cannot, then we can help them go about the right way and the right route to figure out what we can do so that they can absolutely participate. We as OTs need to be aware of the ADA. As I previously said, we will be working with individuals who have disabilities, and we need to make sure that we understand what is protecting them and understand how it is protecting them so that we can offer a better support system to them when they do need it.